Namaste beautiful yogis, welcome to Ali Kamenova Yoga. I'm Ali and today we're doing a 12-minute HIIT workout for a flat belly and for core connection. Today the workout is going to focus on poses that allow us to really fire up all the core muscles and to create a strong abdominal wall that holds everything in together firmly. The stomach is in, everything is really fired up and connected powerfully in a beautiful way. And the workout is going to contain 6 exercises, 30 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. We'll repeat it all 3 times. So are you ready? Let's flow with strength and ease. So the first exercise is snowboarders, pushing the body back and really pulling the belly in. Give it a go hop. Controlling the core the entire time. We're warming up the entire body through this full body move, core move. Keep the chest open. Get on all fours and walk your knees a little closer in, pull the belly in, round the back and draw the knees in and squeeze. Release, squeeze. Release as hard as you can. Release, squeeze. Get on your right leg, and here I'm gonna clasp my hands behind, but you can leave your hands out, and we're gonna do quick one-legged chair to warrior 3. Keep the knee bent, chair, and really control the belly through this move. Pull the belly in. Chair. Warrior 3. Opposite side. So level the hips. Chair. Pull the belly in. Level the hips. One-legged chair. Level the hips. One-legged chair. Level the hips. Square the hips. Square and level. Squeeze the belly. And get on all fours. Here we're going to pendulum the knees. Lifting the knees, and they will pendulum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Jump your knees right behind your wrist. 1, 2, pendulum. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Forward. 1, 2, 5. Back. Forward. This is intense. And core exercise. So we're gonna stay up, open the chest, extend one leg, back in, extend, squeeze. Snowboarders, back to snowboarders. Really engage the core, engage the body and quads. Eight seconds left. You can do it. Goodness. All right, knees off the floor in all fours. Take a breather, get ready, squeeze. Rounding the back. Isometric squeezes. Pull. Step onto the right leg. Here either leg, hands out or back. Keep your hips square. One-legged chair to warrior three. One-legged chair. Pull the belly in. Warrior three is the ultimate lower back exercise. It really engages the core, fires up the core in a functional way. And opposite side. I'm just demonstrating before the ringer goes off. Draw the belly in. And pendulum with the knees is the next one. Starting on all fours, spread the fingers wide open. Oh my goodness, it's a strong exercise, really squeezing all right abs. Really squeeze the belly. Almost there. The second round is done. Last round, snowboarders. Prepare. Knee on all fours, knee lifting, belly pulling in. Squeeze as hard as you can. Getting onto your right leg. Warrior 3, level the hips, prepare. Chair. Control. Feeling how the core connects the upper and the lower body. The abdominal walls connecting and giving that strong tone to the internal organs. Opposite side. Warrior 3. Pull the belly in. Squeeze. And core. Sorry, pendulum. It's all core. Last exercise. Core, leg extensions, or pull the belly in. Flip over into plank. That was the last cycle. And pull the belly in round the back. Take the right knee into your chest, in between the elbows. Cross the right knee over the left. Wrap it around. Take a side plank to tabletop, so flipping the hips up towards the ceiling, and you can bring knee to elbow, knee to elbow, knee to elbow, and back to plank, knee tuck, opposite side, left knee, squeeze, 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 cross it in front of the right, take a side plank to tabletop, and here in tabletop, control. 1, 2, 3, cross, knee tuck, plank, lower down onto your belly, Supermans, lift the legs, lift the hands off the floor, engaging all the lower back muscles, lift, 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 lift higher, hands underneath the shoulders, press yourself up into plank, right knee into the chest, over the left knee, side plank, and tabletop, one-legged tabletop. And here we're going to bring the knee to the elbow, really squeeze. This really engages your obliques. Back to plank, knee tuck, step it out, left side, knee tuck, over the right knee, take a side plank and a tabletop, and prepare for the knee tucks. 1, 2, 3, reverse it, knee tuck, pull the belly in, Release. We're gonna do one more plank. Rounding the back and scooping everything in. Everything. Round the back, plank. Pull the belly in. Great. Yogic squat and come up to standing side to side reach. There's no core sequence without this exercise. Bringing it all together. Great. And hands on the knees. You really, if you want to take your core strength to another level, vacuums, stomach vacuums are a must. So bring your hands onto your knees, round the back and scoop everything in. You want to really pull everything in towards the back, so the stomach wall is pulling towards the spine. Exhaling and then hollow it out. And again. Exhale, hollow it out. And one more. Coming up to standing, reach over the head, arch, exhale, over the heart. Thank you all for joining me today for this power punch of a HIIT workout. Remember to like, comment, share with your friends, and I'll see you every Sunday and every Wednesday with a new yoga class and a HIIT class. Namaste.